Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to disable the Open Links in External Browser feature on Facebook. If you prefer links to open directly within the Facebook app rather than switching to an external browser, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. This is where we'll make all the necessary adjustments. Once inside the app, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now continue scrolling until you reach the section titled Preferences. Here, you'll see an option called Media. Tap on it to access settings related to how Facebook handles media and links. Finally, locate the setting that says Open Links in External Browser. By default, this box may be checked. Simply uncheck it and you're done. With this change, any links you click within Facebook will now open directly inside the app instead of redirecting to an external browser like Chrome or Safari. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your browsing preferences on Facebook. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to share this tutorial with anyone who might find it helpful.